everyone, welcome back. We are here on another trip to Hurghada, Egypt, and just got into the airport, checked in, waiting for a flight. Still got a couple of hours. Got here early because due to how things are with checking in and long queues. So yeah, but we didn't find anything. There was a bit of queue on the way where we have to check in our luggage because there was another flight going before us. So but it didn't took us long, and then yeah, normal security queues to go through. We are still here and waiting, so we still got a couple of hours to waste over here. Carry on, stay on the journey with us, and we'll let you know. So I had a 5-hour stay at Sabiha Gocken Airport, and for my connecting flight to Hurghada. So I thought, yeah, why not go stay in lounge? So there's a premium plaza lounge here, which charges you, I think, 18 euros for 3 hours, which is not bad, to be honest, because you get complimentary food, Wi-Fi, drinks. So for 3 hours, I think it's not very bad. I mean, paying 18 euros. So I'll give you a tour of this lounge now and show you how the lounge looks like. If you can see over here, this is the lounge, and these are nice comfortable chairs where you can sit, enjoy the view of the lounge. And you can see it's a lovely view. And then let's take you around, give you a tour of the whole thing. So I'm not gonna go upstairs. They have smoking room upstairs, so if you are a smoker you can go upstairs and use that. So this is what food counter is. So they have these cold salads and cheese sandwich as well, the bulgur rice, pasta salad, cheese sandwich. Then come over here, you have baklava and nuts. And this is the hot food section where they have rice, mashed potatoes, vegetables, steak and soup. You get bread as well with that. Yeah, that's there in the corner. And if you come over here, it's the drink counter. So that's the drink counter over here, and you can see there are varieties of hot and cold drinks as whatever you like, as per your taste. So there's water, juice, cold drink, coffee, whatever you like, you can have that. And if you can see over here, this is the other side of the lounge. It's much comfortable, and they have charging points everywhere, so you can charge your device while your stay over here. Okay, now I'll take you to the children play area over here. That's the children play area. So if you have little ones, it will be handy. Baby changing facilities. They have toilets around here which are really nice. I'll just take you inside, give you a tour of the toilet. So that's for the ladies, that's for the gents. Let's take you inside here. You can see the toilets. It's decent. I mean, it's not. I won't complain, to be honest. For 18 euros for 3 hours, I mean, if you have a long stay, this is worth it. And yeah. So I thought it's one. Okay, this one is international departures. Let me make it clear. So this is not domestic, this is international departure lounge. So you have one in domestic departure and you have one in international. So this is the international one. It's called Premium Plaza Lounge something. Yeah, Premium Plaza Lounge. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you like this little tour of this, and stay in touch, and I will be with you guys when I'll touch Hurghada. I'll give you a tour of the hotel room. Not sure if I'm gonna give you straight away, maybe tomorrow, because my flight is a very late night and I'm really bit tired. It's a really long day. Didn't sleep much last night. We had to eat this morning, so early morning prayers. Have to wake up for that, and since then I'm been up and running. So yeah, I will give you a tour of the hotel room. So keep in touch, stay tuned, peace out. We just checked in the room. It's about 5 in the morning, and I thought I'd quickly give you a room tour. So this is the entrance, as you can see, and we have this cupboard over here where you can keep your clothes. Still need to unpack my stuff, and over here you have your toilet and shower, which is quite big to be honest. Look, it's got shower over here. That's your shower, wash basin, sink. Okay, they have hand wash over here, hair dryer, plug for your shavers and stuff like that. Then this is the toilet area, and yes, that's about it. I'll take you more further. This is the mini fridge. Water is free, obviously, and then you have safe. This is a connecting room. So we have two single beds. The single bed looks quite big. I think they're like standard double beds, but I just joined them together. And the connecting room is over here. That's for the kids room. It's same room, and it has 3 beds in it, but the scenario is same. The layout of the room is identical. So in the room we have telephone and the TV over here, the dressing table to sit down, and over here we have a little sofa. And we just got upgraded because the room I booked, they didn't have availability, and I complained. So look at this, we have our own walk-in pool. Yes, I like that. So yes, that was the advantage. This is for the room tour for now. Stay tuned. We'll explore the hotel tomorrow. I'm very tired today, so just gonna change, and I'll probably have a quick shower before that because I've been out for a whole day now, and then hit the bed. I'm gonna skip the breakfast, probably go for lunch because too tired for breakfast, man, to be honest. Take care, peace out, see you soon.